What's up guys, this is Veltrix Games. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS3, PS4, or PS5 controller to your PC so you can play your favorite games without any problem. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, search for DS4Windows. You should see the official DS4Windows website as one of the first results. Go ahead and open it. I'll also leave the download link in the description below to make things easier for you guys. Now, download the latest version of DS4Windows. Once the download is complete, you'll notice that the file comes in a zip format. You can right-click the zip file and select Extract All to extract the files onto your computer, or just drag the file from the zip file directly on your desktop like I did. After the extraction is done, open the extracted folder and run the DS4Windows application. The setup process is pretty straightforward, so just follow the instructions on the screen if it asks you to install any drivers. Now grab your PlayStation controller and connect it to your PC using a USB cable. As you can see on the screen, the controller connects successfully and is detected instantly by DS4Windows. At this point, your controller is basically ready to use in most PC games. One cool thing about DS4Windows is that you can also customize your controller settings. For example, you can change the light bar color on your controller, adjust sensitivity, create profiles, and even personalize different effects depending on your setup. And just like that, your PlayStation controller is now connected to your PC and ready for gaming. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future gaming tutorials and gameplay videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.